am back at the Millennium again. I am going to watch the UK Tour of Spamalot tonight. I don't know much about the show, I don't know what it's about at all. I am going in with a fresh, open mind, as I did with my other two shows. I am looking forward to it, don't know what to expect. Let's go in and see the show. The show doesn't start for a few more minutes, for about half an hour yet. I've just got my program and brochure, it's just here. I'm looking forward to the show, and I'm just trying to find where I am first. I think I'm in the circle, but not too sure yet. And this is spending so much, it's about amazing a show right there. That's a great customer service. Yeah, I have to do another level up to get to where I'm sitting now, which is fine. Just thought I'd give you guys a bit of a view of this beautiful building here. It's literally my second home, this place. I love it to pieces. It's currently the interval at the moment of Spamalot. I really don't know what to say about this musical. It's very random. There's not a plot to it or anything. It's just like little sketches, some catchy songs in it, but it's just very random at times, and I don't know why, I don't know what I've just watched. That's all I'm going to say. I don't know whether that's a good thing, whether that's a bad thing, but this is one of the most random musicals I've ever seen here at the Millennium Centre. I will give you my full-on thoughts after the show, as I always do, till Act 2 actually starts, but if you're considering booking this, I would give it a go. It's good, but very, very random, guys. It's very random. I'm saying this show is a Marmite show, 100%. You're either going to love it or hate it. I am giving this 3 out of 5 stars. The cast were good, the set design was okay, nothing phenomenal. It was a good average production show. The set design did feel quite amateurish, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, but if I'm being honest, I would not pay to see this in the West End or on Broadway. I'm gonna give this one a miss, unfortunately. This really nice lady sitting next to me also said the same thing. She had never seen a Monty Python sketch nor have I before, and she agreed with me that the show was very random, and she preferred Act 2 in the show as well, which is what I preferred in the show. I preferred Act 2 to Act 1, if I'm being completely honest with everyone. One thing that I did not like about it was the plot did not start properly till Act 2, which I thought was a bit but it was a good show, but I'm just not gonna bother with this one again. So 3 out of 5 from me. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick review. I love you loads and have a great day. Bye!